Hey guys, what's up? So, let's, yeah, we're gonna do a cold start. I think it's like low 30s right now, so let's go ahead and do a cold start. Yeah, there we go. Cold start. Let me see what exact temperature it is right now. 34. So I mean, it's not as cold as it was this morning, but the bus is still cold from sitting overnight. So there's a little cold start for you. Yeah, just wanted to do a cold start because I knew that this was going to be a good one since later this week that we're in, it's been cold around here. So, yeah. Hey guys, what's up? So just a quick little update video that is going to be accompanied by a cold start and a few other things. So we're almost at this point, I think we're about halfway through the month, and it's almost Christmas, and 2022 is almost completely done, which is weird. I feel like this year went by really fast. For me, it started out slow, and then the second half, after summer and school started back up, I feel like it just flew by. So I'm not going to get into a year in review thing in this video because that's going to be its own video. Yeah, it's crazy that this year went by so fast. I feel like it was just this time last year, and here we are already getting ready to start 2023. Yeah, I don't have anything too notable planned for the last 2 weeks of this year. I'm going to try to get a few more videos up before the end of the year, and I'm also going to try to live stream while I'm on Christmas break. So I'm sure most of you that are in school are probably on Christmas break around the same time. Lebanon, for some reason, we're not off for break until next Friday, so we still have to go 4 days next week. Which when I was in school, we always got a week for Christmas and a week for New Year's, so I don't know, it's weird. I mean, something's better than nothing, but still. Anyways, so I'm going to try to live stream one of those days if I can. I will keep you guys updated on that. Obviously, it's not going to be like Christmas Eve or Christmas because, people are doing things and I'm not trying to interrupt, whether it's Christmas or whatever holiday you might celebrate. So, yeah, I will post something on my community tab if I come up with a actual time. So, other than that, I don't think there's anything else to talk about. Just trying to think. Nothing too notable. I did the first look on the Walther's kit of the bus garage. I'm hoping here soon to be able to get some paint and glue and kind of start working on it. I still need to figure out if I'm going to do an actual build video on it, or if I'm going to just do the review once it's built, just to show it with the buses. I know I need to try to do something in the realms of actually building it. So I'm thinking about painting all the pieces first, and then, because that's something that I feel like doesn't really need to be shown. And then once I've got everything painted, I can actually put it together, and I can put that on video. But either way, you know, there's going to be another video for that model. So that'll be something that is going to happen soon. I don't know if it's going to be before the new year or not. And then I thought there was something else I had to add, but I guess not. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for, you know, our weekly updates. We'll go ahead and do a pump down of the brakes, because I feel like I've seen somebody ask for that. I mean, I've done it before, but I've done the interior or the exterior shot of it. So I'm gonna pump down the brakes now, just so you guys can get the inside sounds and stuff. So let's go ahead and do that. Obviously, we don't want to have the child check. So yeah, there's your little air brake test. So yeah, there's your air brake test from inside the bus. I don't know. I think that's about it. Nothing's actually going on with 3 or 45 out of the ordinary. So, you know, here we are. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think, and yeah.